Alright, so good morning guys. So dumating na yung order natin sa Shopee. This is the additional lights for our dollhouse. So we will check. Ito siya. Naka-bubble wrap. Okay. So we ordered 4 at dumating nga yung 4. So ite-test natin ito mamaya. This is 100. I think 29 pesos. Okay, so let's open the other one. Okay. So I think this one is 129 pesos guys for this one. So mayroong blue, mayroong red. So yung red isa yung binili ko, tapos may blue, tapos may green, then may pink. So titest that mamaya yan. The other order is HDMI cable. So this is 184 pesos plus shipping, so 284. Ang kagandahan nito guys is because this one is can handle H4. Yan, no? It can handle 4K, I mean.
Perfect.
4K na quality ng video. So yan. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. We are now on the testing part. So what we did is we connected all the positive, all the negative. So yung may color, siya yung positive. Okay? So itong ginamit natin is yung yung USB charger. Okay? So going here, negative, positive. So we will test it for the very first time. Tingnan natin if it will light up. Kasi ang sabi dito is 12 volts yung power source niya. So ngayon we're using 5 volts sa USB charger. Check natin. Okay. So far guys, hindi niya makaya ang 5 volts. So 5 volts lang yan. So hindi niya makaya. Okay. So kailangan niya 12 volts talaga. Okay, so we will use a battery. Magkano ba to? Yung power supply. Ito 5 volts din ang output ng USB na to. So kailangan niya talaga is 12 volts. So we will test. Disconnect natin to. Tingnan natin kung isa lang kung anong itsura niya. So positive, negative. So it's not lighting up. So baka kailangan natin tingnan lang. Okay. For some reasons it's now trying to light up. Yan. So we swap the connectivity. Yan pa rin, hindi pa rin siya gumagana. Hindi lang siya hot. So far wala talaga. Okay. So I'll do some more testing guys. I'll be back. Okay, so welcome back. So na-series na natin siya, no? So earlier wala tayong power supply. So bumili tayo ng AC/DC adapter. So pwede mo siya ma-adjust from 1.5 volts, 3, 4.5, 6, 7.5, 9, and then 12. So nilagay natin sa 12 ngayon, yung araw naka 12, no? we didn't touch this one, this polarity. So i-connect natin siya, check natin yung color kung tama yung in-order natin. We ordered a pink color. Teka lang, hindi ko pa siya na ano. Ito, we ordered green. Makita nyo sa screen ko guys, pink, green, blue, and red. So isa-isang color siya. So check natin. Okay, so far mayroon tayong green, which is correct, blue,
perfect,
at red. So yung pink ba to? That's red. Okay guys, so that's red. So well, siguro sa pag-impake niya, but it's good to go guys. Okay naman siya. Okay, so red, blue, and green. Okay, thank you for watching. So we're able to install the lights. So we bought a AC/DC adapter of 450 pesos, and the lights is 129 pesos. Okay, so we have red, we have red, green, and blue. Supposed to be this one is pink, but okay na lang. So approve. Okay. Yeah. So you put back your toys. So we'll just buy later. We will add the one color here. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so that's your room. Okay, so that's red because it's fire. Pink. It looks like color pink because of the color of the house, which is pink. This one is blue, and this is a bathroom, so it should be dark. Okay, can you turn off the lights, please? Push down. Okay.
perfect.
Okay, turn it on again. Wow.